Well, the featured plant for today is a semi-succulent shrub, and it's from Madagascar. It is the Euphorbia geroldii. Now, it's also known as the Thornless crown of thorns because it is so closely related to the crown of thorns. And yes, absolutely no thorns. You do not have to worry about it, but it has those iconic reddy brick orange flowers that are typical of the crown of thorns. It is worth growing. This particular plant at my place, it's about 2 meters tall and it's growing underneath gum trees. I'll show upwards. Yes, underneath all the gum trees, and it's flowering very, very well. It can handle full sun, part shade. It's very adaptable, and my dogs are going crazy in the background. I do apologize, folks, but one day they'll they'll settle down. I do not prune this. It is extremely low maintenance. It is currently now in May and it is still flowering, and it has been flowering for easily 10 months of the year. It is worth every cent if you buy it. Now, it is in the succulent group of plants, the Euphorbia group, and the Euphorbia group are known to be poisonous to a lot of people and also to have allergic reactions if you get that white sap on your skin. So take care. Wear gloves. Very important to wear gloves when you're dealing with this plant if you're pruning or clipping or anything like that. Now, I personally have never had any pests or disease on this plant. The only insect I've seen near it are native bees, and that is a really good reason why to use it. So I'll just step back a little bit to give you a better view as to what she looks like from the ground all the way up and the surrounding area, just to show you how much shade it's actually getting. And I'm standing underneath the gum trees, all the way up to the big gum trees. So that's what it is having to deal with, all of the shade. So if you have an awkward position in your yard, you don't water it, it's a bit of a neglect spot, and it gets either full sun or shade, this is a really good option. It's glossy, it's shiny, it looks lush. I don't prune it, and this is what it has done by itself. So check it out at your local garden centre, known as the Thornless crown of thorns. The proper botanical name is Euphorbia geroldii, or Gerald, and then I at the end of it, geroldii. Okay, folks, thank you for watching. This is Paul Plant Horticulture on our channel. I do hope you enjoyed it, and if you can, subscribe and like it. And if you have any comments about this particular plant or any questions, feel free to ask. Cheers for now.